Hey, Trevor Matthews coming to you again from Emerson's Refrigeration Training Center here in Brantford, Canada. Today, I want to talk a little bit about procedures, installation commissioning procedures. I've installed lots of racks, HFC racks before, and one of the most tedious job was the electrical side when you're first starting up a rack. Behind me here, I have the CO2 transcritical trainer that we use. It was built by Septec Technologies. And when I first received this trainer, I've taken the wiring diagram out and I checked every single wire, because it could just be one connection from that transport truck driving it over that loosens somehow, that is causing the rack to potentially trip off or something not work properly. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, this is a small system, very small. So when you get out to a large supermarket, there are hundreds of controllers, there's thousands of wires. So that's why I say it's a tedious job, but you have to do it because you have superheat controllers or case controllers, high pressure valves, bypass valves. You have input-output relays. You got fuses. You got so many different things in that system that need to be checked. So if you've done this job before, you're going to do this job, tell me how you do it. Do you split it up between teams? Do you do it yourself? My name is Trevor Matthews. Let's get a conversation going.